like she mentioned, you have to do your research to make sure that you can actually, because by the time you get into the doctoral level, you know your area is already very narrow. So you have to actually make sure you match yourself. And a lot of the times, they are usually fellowships available that most PhD students don't pay for. They could be assistant professors in doing the different kind of things as a fellowship, and that's how they pay. So you need to do your research. But there's one thing I'd like to add to what she was saying in the last question, with other areas that they should look for. I would say they should also consider community colleges. Community colleges, they can do their first 2 years in community college.
You know, define that for them. What is a community college?
A community college is a place where you spend 2 years, okay, and two things can happen after 2 years. You can actually go to the workforce. They will train you while you're getting your education, and they usually have very good rapport with the industry. Actually, yeah, the industry actually fund a lot of their projects in there, and then they sponsor students even there. A lot of their students get hired even before the 2 years is up. So, but if you are interested in getting a 4-year degree, which has its own advantages too, after you finish your 2-year over here, you can transfer to a 4-year university and then get your bachelor's degree. So the first one, you finish with your associate degree, and then you take about 60 more hours, 2 more years, and then get your bachelor's degree. So usually that helps out a lot. You know, it helps out a whole lot. Yes.